Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is how 5G will transform communication. For UPSC and IAS aspirants, understanding the implications of 5G is crucial not only in terms of technological advancements but also for its influence on governance, infrastructure, and economic development. Let's begin by understanding what 5G technology is. 5G or fifth-generation wireless technology is the next step in the evolution of mobile networks, following the previous generations, 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G. Each generation of mobile networks has brought improvements in speed, connectivity, and capabilities, and 5G promises to build on these advancements in ways that will significantly alter the communication landscape. The most notable feature of 5G is its speed. 5G networks are expected to offer download speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G networks. This drastic improvement in speed will revolutionize how we access and share data, stream content, and communicate. For instance, large files, such as high-definition videos, which currently take minutes to download, will be transmitted in seconds. This will have a transformative effect on industries that rely on data-heavy applications, including entertainment, healthcare, education, and research. Beyond speed, 5G technology will offer ultra-low latency, which refers to the time it takes for data to travel from its source to its destination. While 4G networks have latency of around 30 milliseconds, 5G will reduce this to a mere 1 millisecond. This near-instantaneous communication will enable real-time interactions across a variety of sectors. For instance, remote surgeries in healthcare will become possible, where doctors can perform operations on patients thousands of miles away with real-time feedback and minimal delay. Moreover, 5G will drastically improve connectivity. The increased network capacity will allow billions of devices to connect seamlessly, a concept often referred to as the Internet of Things, IoT. With the rise of smart homes, autonomous vehicles, and connected factories, 5G will provide the infrastructure needed to support an interconnected world. Imagine a scenario where sensors in cities monitor traffic, air quality, and even energy consumption in real time, with this data then being processed and acted upon without delay. This connectivity will create new opportunities for smart cities, where every device and service communicates with each other to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the quality of life for citizens. 5G will also have a profound impact on industries such as transportation and logistics. Autonomous vehicles, which require high-speed, low-latency connections to communicate with each other and with traffic management systems, will rely heavily on 5G. With 5G, these vehicles will be able to navigate safely and efficiently, reducing traffic accidents and improving transportation systems worldwide. In logistics, real-time tracking of goods and more precise inventory management will be possible, enhancing supply chain efficiency and reducing waste. In terms of communication, 5G will enable advancements in how we interact with each other and the world around us. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, which are currently limited by the bandwidth and latency of existing networks, will flourish with 5G. These technologies, when combined with 5G's capabilities, will offer immersive experiences in gaming, education, and entertainment. For instance, students could attend virtual classrooms in 3D spaces, while professionals could participate in virtual meetings where they feel physically present in the same room. In the media and entertainment sectors, 5G will revolutionize content consumption. With faster speeds and lower latency, live streaming of high-definition content, such as sports events or concerts, will become more reliable and accessible. Additionally, 5G's high capacity will allow multiple users to connect to the same network at once without experiencing slowdowns. This will enhance the user experience during live events, gaming, and social media, where large audiences participate simultaneously. The energy sector will also benefit from the implementation of 5G. With the advent of 5G, the management of renewable energy resources such as wind and solar power will become more efficient. The ability to communicate data in real time will allow grid operators to balance supply and demand more effectively. This real-time monitoring of energy usage will lead to smarter energy distribution, reduce wastage, and enhance the use of renewable energy sources. For governance and public administration, 5G can play a key role in improving the delivery of government services. E-governance initiatives will be enhanced through more reliable and faster networks, enabling better access to public services, especially in remote and underserved areas. 5G will also facilitate the development of smart infrastructure, such as smart meters, smart grids, and intelligent transportation systems, all of which will contribute to more efficient, responsive, and transparent governance. Furthermore, the rollout of 5G will require significant upgrades to existing telecommunications infrastructure. Many countries, especially developing ones, will need to address issues related to the digital divide, ensuring that everyone has access to the benefits of 5G technology. This includes providing affordable internet access, improving digital literacy, and fostering an environment conducive to technological innovation. For UPSC and IAS aspirants, understanding the implications of 5G is important not only for its technological aspects but also for its potential to drive socio-economic development. The rollout of 5G will likely have wide-reaching effects on employment, education, healthcare, governance, and global competitiveness. It will also play a crucial role in bridging the digital divide, especially in rural and remote areas where traditional connectivity options are limited. The advent of 5G will undoubtedly accelerate innovation in various sectors and lead to new technologies and applications we cannot yet fully predict. As governments and businesses work to harness the potential of 5G, it will be important for policymakers to create regulations that promote responsible, equitable, and secure use of this technology. In conclusion, 5G technology represents a significant leap forward in communication, offering unprecedented speeds, connectivity, and opportunities for innovation. It has the potential to transform multiple sectors, from healthcare and education to transportation, energy, and governance. However, the successful deployment of 5G will require addressing challenges related to infrastructure, security, and access. For UPSC and IAS aspirants, understanding 5G and its implications is crucial in preparing for a future where technology plays an ever larger role in shaping societies, economies, and governance. Thank you for watching this video on AskPrep. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content to help you in your UPSC and IAS preparation. We wish you the best in your journey towards success.